Hey everyone, this is Tyler from 643boxbreaks.com, bringing you live buy it now break of Portfolio. This sold earlier tonight. Thanks to everyone for participating. There is your serial number. Here is the team list for this break. Anyone who got 3 teams or more is going to get an extra player for your hockey pool roster. The hockey pool is alive and in full swing. All the prizes for the hockey pool are lining the box break area here. All of those cards that you see, as well as the autographed Wayne Gretzky statue and the Patrik Laine autographed jersey. There and there. Alright, so for this box, we've got 3+ team winners. Oops, wrong way. 3+ team winners for all 4 kinds, first of all. So Chuck, you've got yourself Patrice Bergeron. Nice one for the Boston Bruins. Then for DJ Base, Daniel, good to see you back. For your hockey pool, you've got Edmondson for the St. Louis Blues. Then Brian, Johnny Canuck, you've got Alex Burmistrov, who will be playing for Vancouver this year. Leafs for life, you've got yourself Werenski for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Then Netrider, you've got Carlson, good defenseman for Washington. Sean, 1989, has got Sean Monahan for the Calgary Flames. And Therm from St. Louis, you've got TJ Oshie, former St. Louis Blue, but now with Washington. Then we've got extra players for Sean, Morgan Riley, and for B. Martin, Quincy for Columbus, and for Sean once again, Henrik Sedin. Alright, so those are the players. Let's get to the break. Sean has Edmonton in this one. The first hit is going to get a special 643 collector card. The last card, or the last pack, is going to earn a free spot in a box of Upper Deck Black. We've been lucky tonight. We pulled a Sidney Crosby autographed jersey in titanium earlier for Chuck. Chuck had a good premonition about picking that titanium box for the roll call bonus. So here we go. Good luck, you guys. Chuck, your 3-player is Bergeron. Patrice Bergeron. First hit is a black and white of Bobby Clarke art card for the Philadelphia Flyers. That one's going to Therm. Congratulations, Therm. Your first hit earns you a 643 collector card. 643 monikers, number 8 out of 8 of Stuntman. Autograph. That's going to Philly. Next up, we got a rookie phenom of Mikko Rantanen for the Colorado Avalanche and Netrider. I know Renault is an Avalanche fan, so he's probably going to like that one. Ooh, look at that. Big skate card of Zach Parise. We've got an autograph here. Nice. An autograph wire photo of Max Pacioretty for Montreal and Sean. Congratulations, Sean. Always nice to get an autograph on a wire photo of Patches. Next up, we got a rookie of Oscar Lindberg for the New York Rangers and Daniel from across the pond. Rookie phenom of Hunter Shinkaruk for the Calgary Flames. Calgary was Leafs for life. Congratulations, Matt. We got another wire photo. This one is for Jamie Benn and the Dallas Stars. Going to DJ Base as well. Brian had the LA Kings. I'm not sure if you're interested in that Wayne Gretzky. If you are, let me know. I'll add it to your pile. We got a rookie phenom, Sergei Plotnikov. This is for the Arizona Coyotes. And Chuck. Okay, I will autograph it and send it to you. Come on. The kids always like the Gretzky cards. Even if it's a base card, they just go crazy for the Gretzky, so I'll give it to one of my students. Alright, we got another Dallas Stars wire photo. This is Matthias Janmark. 2 hits for Dallas, 2 wire photos. That's a cool looking card. Joe Pavelski, some kind of snapshot card. That's for the San Jose Sharks and Sean. They love these ones in portfolio, hey? The photographer camera hole. Ooh, nice. Jack Eichel, rookie phenom for Sean. And the Buffalo Sabres. Congratulations, Sean. It's got the Eichel. Now we're looking for the McDavid. I will do that, Chuck. Here's a rookie phenom of Nikolai Ehlers for the Winnipeg Jets and Sean, 1989. And the card is on your pile, Chuck. Ooh, nice. Dual Materials. Jeff Skinner for the Carolina Hurricanes. And Chuck. Ooh, close, but no cigar. Rookie phenom of Jujhar Khaira for the Edmonton Oilers. Here's a black and white of the Breadman for the Chicago Blackhawks and Johnny Canuck. Rookie phenom, Jared McCann for the Canucks. Going to Leafs for life. Ooh, nice. Clark Gillies wire photo for the New York Islanders. And Netrider. Always nice to get a legend wire photo. Ooh, that's close to a big skate card, but not really. Jordan Eberle. We got a rookie phenom of Laurent Dauphin. The Arizona Coyotes and Chuck. 3 packs to go. Another wire photo. This is for the LA Kings. Nick Shore. Going to Brian. Cool Madison Square Garden net cam there. Kari Lettinen. Rookie phenom, Robbie Fabry. That's going to Therm for his Robbie Fabry PC. Hopefully he doesn't have that one yet. Alright, last card in portfolio is going to earn a free spot in a box of black for the team owner. First of all, we've got a Vladimir Tarasenko for the St. Louis Blues and Therm. And the last card is for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Or should I say the Las Vegas Knights. That's going to all 4 kinds. And Chuck, congratulations. You've got a free spot in a box of black for your efforts. that is spot number 15, so we're halfway done, boys. Alright, let's go over, I'll get the team list of Playbook for you, and we're going to break that one for you right away as well. So here is Panini Playbook team list. Here are your 3+ winners for this box of Playbook. First of all, we have all 4 kinds, so you're getting the first player drawn. Chuck, you've got yourself, nice, Ryan Getzlaf for the Anaheim Ducks. Then B. Martin, you've got Jeff Carter, also a nice hockey pool player for the LA Kings. Then DJ Base, Daniel, you've got yourself a top 10 in points, Kucherov for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Then Johnny Canuck, Brian, I pulled you 2. The first one was Foligno for the Buffalo Sabres. Then Leafs for Life, you've got Dumba for the Minnesota Wild. Netrider has got Ryan Kessler for the Anaheim Ducks. Sean, 1989, Travis Zajac for the New Jersey Devils. And Jamie Cezeo, you've got David Perron for the St. Louis Blues. We got 3 extra players, 1 for Chuck. Chuck, you've got an Ottawa Senators wild card via your Buy It Now player. Johnny Canuck, you've got Backlund for the Calgary Flames. And all 4 kinds, once again, you've got Anisimov for the Chicago Blackhawks. Alright, you guys, here's your box of Playbook. First hit gets a special 643 collector card. The last hit is going to earn their team owner a free spot in black. That's spot number 16. Serial number is ending in 232, even though it doesn't want to focus. Close enough. Good luck, you guys. Just pulled a really nice dual patch auto Playbook number 5 out of 5 of Victor Fast for Lennox Matt, and that was a bonus card tonight via the roll call. Yeah, I actually have it on my summer to-do list that I need to make a new wheel template. I'm going to have to make a new one with the Las Vegas Golden Knights. But the good side, or the good part of that, is I'm planning a new bonus for you guys. Well, we did Reinventing the Wheel the last time I did a wheel makeover, so I'm doing a Reinventing the Wheel bonus game once again for you guys, so it should be a lot of fun. First hit is a gold Playbook for Jordan Staal, number 25, for the Carolina Hurricanes. Carolina was B. Martin. So, Bill, you got the first hit. Jordan Staal gold. That earns you a 643 collector card, and it is an autograph. Notable names from 643 of Brian Little. That one is card number 5 out of 5. So congratulations to B. Martin and Winnipeg for that Space Race card. Ooh, nice. I love these cards. We've got a Split Decisions. And it's a... Oh, talk about awesome Playbook breaks tonight. How about a Ron Hextall dual patch? This is for the Philadelphia Flyers and Bill. And Bill is killing the break. Congratulations, buddy. I'm trying to get it to focus for you so you can see the awesome patchiness of this. There we go. So it looks like 2 numbers from Ron Hextall's jersey. That is a Split Decisions card. Number 3 out of 5. Awesome. Bill, what a break for you. We've also got a redemption card. It is a Thomas Yurko Playbook Rookie Level 2. Who is Thomas Yurko? Is that Dallas? We're going to have to put that one aside and I'll have someone look it up. And the last card is a Brock Nielsen autograph for the New York Islanders and DJ Base. So that one's going to Sweden. Congratulations, Daniel. Brock Nielsen for the New York Islanders. Not only do you have the last card, you've also got a free spot in a box of black. And Daniel, that is spot number 16. Congratulations. Brian tells me that Detroit is getting the Yurko card. Thank you. And Detroit was Brian. Congrats. Sean confirms, and so it wasn't just Brian trying to get himself a redemption card. So congratulations, Brian. If you want me to send that actual card, I can do that. But if you just want me to send you the code, I can email it to you right after this break is over. Alright guys, thanks for participating in the break. That is it for me for tonight. Tomorrow, make sure to check out the cash darts. Always a lot of fun when Mike does the darts. We'll see you tomorrow night. Probably do a buy it now.